First of all, how to register Comat on Comat Hold and Earn. This is my first time of register, and before you register, make sure you have already bought Comat from any wallet you can use, like either Bitgate, Phantom or OKX. And the Comat you are buying it on the Comat is built under Solana blockchain. Okay, and make sure it's not Comat you have before 29th of July. The only Comat that we accept here is Comat you buy from 29th of July upwards. If you have any Comat before that 29, you cannot use it. You have to create a new wallet and buy your Comat before you bring it here and sign up and start earning. Okay, first of all, I have to sign in first, and I need to show you guys how things work here. First of all, when you click on that link, you have to click on these three dots. You have to click on these three dots. When you click on the three dots, this is what you have to check. Make sure you read everything here perfectly. Make sure how it works. You have to check how this thing works before you start signing up. Okay, you have to check how it works, and you check the reward again. Check the reward, how you get reward. You check the eligibility. Okay, I'm going to explain it one after the other. Okay, let me start from how it works, then you click on how it works. This is how it works. You read all these things. Create a brand new wallet. I have told you before what you have to do. Complete this step through the secure holder and platform. Okay, number 2 is buy a quality Comat amount. You can buy from $10, you can buy from $30, you can buy from $100, you can buy $300, $1,000, depending on the amount you can afford to use and buy. Okay, and again, how to register and submit proof. When you register, you with either your Comat address which you buy from 28th July 2026. That is what you are going to use and register here and submit it. Then when you submit it, you hold continuously for 180 days. If you hold from the day you sign up till 180 days, that is 6 months, you will get reward depending on the amount you use and register. Okay, the amount, if you register with $10, you will not earn reward as the person register with $30. That it depends on the amount you use and register. Okay, now again, you come up, you scroll and read all these things. This is the name of all the quality coin. This is the names. Number 1, they call it scree. Okay, scree is from $10. You see, you earn 1,000 Comat when your money complete. Okay, as in, if you hold it for 6 months without touching it, without selling it, without transferring it from that account to another, then you will earn 1,000 Comat. Okay, imagine if Comat become $1 today. This is the amount you are going to have. Okay, and again, if you buy $30, you will earn 5,000 Comat. Okay, and this 5,000 Comat, there is a rules that is guiding it. If you didn't sell it for 6 months, you will get this 5,000 Comat. But if you touch that account, if you transfer it from that hold and earn account another wallet, or if you sell it, you can never earn this reward. And it's not that you are going to transfer your money to somebody. Your money is there in your wallet, but what they are telling you is for you not to touch it. Okay. And again, this is fish. People that are buying from $100, you will earn 8,000 Comat after 180 days. And again, this is a dolphin. People that are buying from $300, you will earn 12,000 Comat. This is shark. You will earn $15,000. This is a whale. You will earn 20,000 Comat after 160 days. Okay, this is how this platform works. Okay, now I'm going to sign in because I have bought my Comat inside my Bitgate wallet. Now I'm going to sign in. Okay, now what I'm going to click now is to click on join campaign. I'll click on join campaign. Okay, follow me step by step so that you cannot make mistake. Now you have to put your full name. You have to put your full name here, put your email address, put your password. I'm going to put all this in and I'm going to close my video. After putting it, I'm going to come back and create account. Okay, now I have put in my email. I have put in my name, my email and my password. Now I'm going to click on create account. I'm clicking on create account. Okay, now my account is created. I have created my account. Okay, first of all, I have to go to my email address and verify my account. I'm going to my email address first. Now I have clicked on verify. I'm verifying my account. Okay, after verifying it, then I will go to my sign in. Continue to sign in. You see it? It says continue to sign in. I will continue to sign in. Now I need to put my email address and my password. Everything have been put. Okay, so I have logged in successfully. I have logged in successfully. You see how the platform is. Then when you come to the interface like this, you have to choose the one you want. As you can see how people, you can see how people have signed in. You can see it. This script, 10 people have signed in. This shrimp, 40 people have signed in. Fish, 23 people have signed in. And this dolphin, 6 people have signed in. Shark, 6 people have signed in. Whale, 4 people have signed in. I'm going to choose a shrimp because I bought with $30. I bought with $30. Okay, now I'm going to click on join shrimp. Okay, I'm going to click on join shrimp. Okay, now I will click on join. It's loading. After loading, then you click on see what I'm going to earn after 180 days. This is what I'm going to earn. Then I will click on continue. They have tickets already. I will click on continue. You see continue here. I don't know if you are using phone or laptop. Then I'll click on continue. Now to continue, they say select account purchase. $30 $30 okay, set. Let me click on continue. Okay, they say paste wallet. I will go to my OKS wallet and get my Comat wallet that I bought before after 29th of July this year 2026. I'm going to my OKS wallet. I'm in my Bitget wallet. What I have to click now is to click on receive. I'm going to click on receive. When you click on receive, then you click on Comat. Let's go. Then you click on Comat. Click on Comat. You see it. This is my Comat. I'm going to click on it. Then what you have to do is to copy the contract address of the Comat you bought. Then you go to that platform. I'm copying it now. I have copied it. I'm going back to that platform to submit it. Okay, now I'm back to the platform. See, I'm going to paste it here. You see, paste your wallet address. You see, I'm going to paste that Comat wallet address, and you read this thing well and see what I have told you before. You cannot register on this platform with Comat you bought before 29th July 2026. You have to read the instruction very well. Okay, now I have to paste my wallet here. I have pasted my wallet. Okay, now what I need to do now is to click on continue. I'll click on continue. Upload the okay, now I'm going back there to screenshot the wallet so that I will upload it here. Okay, let us go. Now I have screenshot it. You have to click here to upload the information. So I'm uploading it now. This is the application. Now I have to click on submit. Clicking on submit. Okay, I'm submitting now to show everything is successful. Is submitting. Let's wait. Let it submit. Now you can see request received. Your application is under review. Read this thing very well. Your 180 days holding period starts after approval, not today. Okay, let's click on return to dashboard. I will wait for them to approve it. So when they approve it, I will do another video to show you that they have approved it. Okay, if you have not bought this coin, don't miss this coin. This coin is a very good coin, and it has a very good utility. It has a very good themes. This coin is very powerful. You see this coin, I'm talking about 3 coins on this trading platform. You see this Comat, EAI, and the Gracia token. These 3 coins, I don't joke with them. If you want to know more about this coin, you can you can check the link of my WhatsApp on the description below, so that you can contact me. I can direct you how you can get these 2-3 coin. Anyone you want to buy, I can direct you and guide you step by step how you can do it. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Anything that you didn't understand, you can ask on the comments question, so that I will reply you with the answer. And also share this video to your friends and family, and tell them more about this coin, because it's going to help their future. Crypto coin buying and holding is the way to make money on crypto, not by trading. You can trade and make money, and you can lose your money, but if you find a legit coin that you can buy and hold, buying and holding is most important thing in crypto. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share and like. Hit your hand on the notification bell, so that any day I put updates like this, you will be the first to notify. Okay.